cannot recognize my face, but it's Jackie calling. It has been 6 days that I'm here, and of course, I have something else very exciting to tell you that you might have seen. Is in this box. Ta-da-da-da! This with a very new technology with the chips inside, and also I have been removing the old implant that I have before, which is 320, 330, and this one is like one of them. It's like almost double size that I have, but it doesn't look so big right now because I still have the bandage around me, around my chest, my breast. Also, it also including it coming with another problems, which is my bag, the old bag was broke inside me. So I got that operation for free, let's say so, because he helped me, Dr. Kamol. I was very happy and appreciate what he did along with the crew that helping me, and I get all the information what I should do, what I should not do, and I'm happy, very happy with the way it looks. Of course, all the shapes that you can choose. If you want a normal or you want it to drop. But you have to come here and consult. They will give you an advice and all the recommendation that you need to do. Thank you for following me, and also thank you the Kamol Cosmetic Hospital. Come here and you get the beauty, you get sexy, you can do and be who you are. So just give them a call, easy like that.